Hey guys, so if you're anything like me, you probably, when you get an inspirational hit or some sort of divine download or whatever it is that your intuition is telling you to do, you want to immediately go ahead and create it, right? That's how I've been operating. I have a great idea and I want to create a video or a newsletter or what have you, because I want to just get it out there as soon as possible. But what I started realizing is that's not the best way to do things because then it leads to inconsistent output of your creations, lack of engagement with your followers because you're not being consistent. It also means you're not hitting all of your brand pillars when you're producing your content, right? You should have certain topics that you want to discuss, and you're going to be haphazard if you're not organized and doing it in a more organized way. And yeah, and then you're not even hitting all the different ways that you want to provide your content, whether it be strategies or tips or asking questions or answering questions or sharing stories. You're not hitting all those different ways of providing education and value. So that's what I finally realized. And that's when I discovered that I need to create a content calendar. And because I didn't want to spend money on various project management tools that are out there like Monday.com or Asana or Trello. I said, you know what? I'm just going to go with a free tool, Notion. It's incredible. The free version is incredible. You can do so much to organize yourself. You can create templates, you can create calendars, which is what I did. So I'm a huge fan of Notion. And, there's other great tools out there too that are for free. And I'll drop a link below the video here with the bunch of different free tools or low cost tools that you can use if you're a content creator or if you're thinking about becoming a content creator. And I'll also include the prompt that I use in ChatGPT to help me create my 30-day content calendar. So check that out below. I'm going to be adding more and more value on this channel as time goes on. And I can't wait to see you in the next video. Take care.